Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4. When you listen to music or watching a movie, you don't need to use your phone, you can use gestures on your phone. And what the best one? That we have touch areas at the back side, at the top, right here, and also on the sides. The same touch areas. And with it you can volume control, you can play or pause the song, you can play next or previous track, you can call voice assistant or swap between ambient sound control. And you can customize it. In fact, we don't have so much options to customize, but still we have it. So we need to open HUAWEI EarLife application. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app, then you will see them at the device list. And right here we have gesture control, so we have it on the sides, touch areas, we have it also for the press and hold on the sides, we have it at the back sides, and we have swipe. But for swipe we have only volume control, and I recommend it to leave it, because you cannot set it for another gesture. Next, these earbuds have, as I said, ambient sound control, so you have ANC, what mean active noise cancellation, and you can enable it right here in the application or by gesture, by press and hold at your right earbud, and you can control it. So now let me put it to my ear to enable it. And we have two modes for ANC. Dynamic, it will change your ANC level depend of your background. We have low, middle and ultra. So each one is most powerful. You can use it. And when you met someone, you don't need to remove your earbuds from your ears. You can enable only transparency mode and speak with someone. You can also improve your listening experience with these earbuds by changing Equalizer presets. Right here we have presets what HUAWEI offer for us, and we can create a custom preset. Right here you can make something good, something like this, no, this, and save it, and now you have also a custom preset. Next, I tested the microphone at these earbuds, and these earbuds have a really good microphone. I hear myself clearly when I spoke normally without background sounds, it was a good one. The same, I hear myself clearly and my voice wasn't distorted when I spoke softly. And also I put street sounds, and this microphone totally mute them. It distorted your voice just a bit, but I think it's really good microphone. Next trick is only for Android user, is that these earbuds support LDAC, but your phone should support this codec also. And you cannot use it on your Apple device, because Apple devices doesn't support LDAC. Now, if you have some trouble with your earbuds, you can easily perform a factory reset. You need to put your earbuds to the charging case, then on the right side you have connection button, you just press and hold it until the LED lights start blinking red, and then you need to reconnect your earbuds with your phone. If you still don't know how to do this, you can check video at this channel how to perform factory reset. We have it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!